Welcome back to the channel. The Tesla Truck 2025, widely known as the Tesla Cybertruck, represents a bold step into the future of electric vehicles, combining futuristic design with high performance and sustainability. Built with innovation at its core, the Cybertruck defies traditional pickup truck design, both in appearance and engineering. It is Tesla's first all-electric pickup and offers a glimpse into how utility vehicles can evolve, without compromising strength, capability, or environmental responsibility. The exterior of the 2025 Tesla truck is its most striking feature. The angular, wedge-shaped body is crafted from ultra-hard stainless steel alloy, the same material used in spacecraft, providing unmatched durability and resistance to dents and corrosion. The design is intentionally minimalist and futuristic, with a flat surface geometry that eliminates curves. It has a monochromatic silver finish and a structural exoskeleton that functions both as a frame and outer body, enhancing strength and rigidity. The large armored glass windows are engineered to withstand high impact and provide greater safety. Performance is one of the Cybertruck's strongest attributes. The 2025 model comes in multiple configurations, including single-motor rear-wheel drive, dual-motor all-wheel drive, and tri-motor all-wheel drive versions. The top-spec tri-motor version accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, rivaling some of the fastest sports cars in the world. Its estimated horsepower exceeds 800, and it delivers instant torque for rapid acceleration and excellent off-road performance. With an adaptive air suspension system, the truck can raise or lower its ride height based on terrain or driving conditions, improving both comfort and utility. The Tesla truck is built to handle serious work. It offers a payload capacity of over 3,500 pounds and a towing capacity of more than 14,000 pounds, making it one of the most capable electric trucks on the market. The 6.5-foot bed, known as the Cyber Vault, features a retractable tonneau cover, built-in power outlets, and a ramp for easy loading. It also includes lockable storage, tie-downs, and space for tools or recreational gear, making it ideal for both contractors and outdoor enthusiasts. Inside, the Tesla truck is just as futuristic as its exterior. The cabin seats up to 6 passengers and features a sleek dashboard with a large touchscreen interface in the center. The steering wheel is replaced with a yoke-style controller, similar to what is found in Tesla's high-performance models. Interior materials are sustainable, durable, and minimalistic. The seats are vegan leather and the floor is rubberized, making the cabin easy to clean and ideal for rugged use. The glass roof stretches from front to rear, providing a panoramic view and a sense of spaciousness. Technology plays a central role in the Cybertruck's design.